before you start to watch this video, I need you to do something for me. Sit down, grab your favorite drink of choice, and let's talk. Because I have a lot of fun things to show you today. And it's called Ketchup Day, right? Not Mustard Day, not Ketchup Day, not that kind of ketchup. But it is where we are releasing items that you might already have, you might need more of, or you might have missed. Some of these items were on HSN and they're consumables or there's something special, so I'm able to bring them to you extra. A lot of them are limited edition. Once they're gone forever. Some were in a kit. Let's stop talking. Let's just jump in. Number one. Oh, I love this one. So I came out with this A2 ice cream cone folded die set a long time ago. A long time ago with Sizzix, 100 years ago. And I realized not that long ago that it wasn't on our website. It's my art, I own it, and so I'm bringing it to you. So if you weren't able to get it the first time around, now is your chance. So go get that. Also is a die I accidentally showed on a video and said, oh yeah, it's on our website. Guess what? It was not. So we're releasing it now. It is a scallop inside for your cards. Now it does do a couple pop outs that are kind of interesting. Remember, this die was designed 12 years ago, 13 years ago. So it is a little different. I will show it to you, but I did use it and it was awesome when I used it for something else in a video. We'll try to link that here, but yeah, it's now on our website. Sorry about that. Also, extras from kits in the past are the words Yippee and Delightful, limited time only on the website. Now, let's jump in and look at some samples, and then I have more things to talk to you about. So stay tuned. I'll go quick through the samples because these are older items. So here's our happy birthday. There is that scalloped inside card die. See that scallop all the way around? It also comes with those fun presents and the word surprise. Okay, here's another one on the inside. What? Look at that. Surprise. It pops up. See how it pops up? It pops up. So much fun. Here's another one. Surprise! See, pops up. Can you see the pop up there? There it is. Pop up. It is popping up. Wow, wow. So yeah, it's one I came out with a long time ago, and for some random reason, it wasn't on our website. Let's look at our ice creams. Now, let me tell you. Oh, now, if these don't stand, so when we originally designed these, they weren't necessarily for display. So what you're going to do is, this is a rounded bottom. This is a good tip. Rounded bottom. If you want it to display, and you probably do, you are going to ever so slightly, you can barely see what I trimmed off. Can you see it? And now, dun, 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 live on camera, she did it. Trim off just a little tiny bit, gives it something to stand on, and there you go. But look at how fun these ice creams can be. Aloha Sunshine. Look at how yummy that one is. Ooh, go a yellow version. Do a yellow version. I love that. Now remember, these can also go on card bases as well. But look at how different each and every one is. If you put the cherry on top, it will need to fold over to fit in A2, but it's so worth it. Or you can do something as fun as this. What? So let's open this baby up because it is closed with a ribbon. This is our, what was this called? A Z-fold, slimline trifold. Ready? Ready? Wait for it. Wait for it. Ta-da! Look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. It makes the perfect slimline, doesn't it? Just add a couple more extra scoops. Perfect slimline. Love it. Now, oh, here's two more for the insides. The inside dies, the pop-ups. There you go. And here's another one. Ready? There you go. Now they do get a little poofy. Look how poofy sometimes they get. You got to really fold them and play with them, but they do get a little poofy. So just warning you. Now, move that off to the side because there's a couple other things. On HSN, I brought this paper pad and it sold out. I don't even think it made it onto the air. This is 8.5 by 11 patterned card stock. Patterned card stock. Listen to this, my friends. Ready? That's one sheet. And it's my favorite patterns. It's mostly pinks and purples, but the colors are berry, bubblegum, mint chip, sea glass, orchid, and sunflower. Some of my favorite patterns are in here. So now you can do card bases. Look at that. Look at that. Now you will be able to get these. So go ahead and check these out. This is on our website now. Yay! Also, that was released on HSN that we now have on our website is the stencil binder. So this, here it is. It's hiding. It's hiding. It's in the back behind my other embellishment folder. Here we go. Stencil folder. Check this out, my friends. This is a free download on our website, so you can print that off. It also comes with a little logo sticker if you want. But I put my little logo, my little label maker here, stencils. And here you go. I have not all, I have some of my stencils in here. I've added cardstock so I can see what's in there. It's easier to see the stencils when they're in there. Now, this one also comes with stencils. This is how it was sold on HSN. It has some gorgeous stencils. So luckily I'm wearing a black shirt so you'll be able to see them. Look at how beautiful that is. Isn't that gorgeous? Here's another one. I love that one. That one's so fun. It's just like little hash marks or something. Here's just hearts, right? Sometimes you need hearts. The rest, that's 3. The rest are stackable or they're layer dies. So what it means is you see these little, here, let's turn it this way. See these little hexagons? You're going to do those and you're going to line them up. You're going to line them up. And here's another one. And when you do it, you will be making the cutest little butterflies you ever did see. Here we go. We're going to add these on. Look at this. Aren't they beautiful? And, oh, one more. Here's another one. And you're going to make the cutest, oh, it's hard to see. But trust me, it's awesome. Hang on. Let's try it this way. Maybe that way's better. There you go. Cute little butterflies. Also, there's another set that you layer. They have stars at the bottom. And you're going to layer those. And you're going to do one at a time. And then you're going to get the cutest little flowers you ever did see. Hang on, let's turn it that way. Cutest, oh gosh, it's hard to get it on camera. But 3 layered flowers with leaves. So go check it out. Now, that comes with 10 stencils. And what do we sell stencils for? Like $7 or $8 each. So that's an $80 value of just stencils alone, right? Crazy, right? I know, crazy. Also, a lot of you already bought that. You already have those 10 stencils. You have the binder, but you've been begging for more binders because you have more stencils, right? Our Fold It Club comes with 5x7 stencils, 2 in each pack. Guess what, my friends? We are now releasing just the just this stencil folder. So now you can buy just the stencil folder itself, not with the stencils, okay, separately. Now, last but not least, and for a very limited time, because these did not make it on HSN, they sold out. They were supposed to go on HSN, but it sold out. You're getting a bottle of glue. You are getting the little sticky picker to pick these things up. You are getting some tweezers. And are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? There are a few of these left. The factory has MOQ, minimum order quantity. They sent the extra to us. Now we get to sell them. These are the bows and the star embellishments. Here you can look at it here. The bows and the star embellishments. If you were able to get these on HSN, now's your chance to restock. If not, now's your chance to grab them. The cool thing about this picker is it's a picker-upper. It's crazy. If you've never seen one of these before, I'm about to change your life. These are amazing. So it comes with some extra tips. It also has this extra piece if you're going to add glue or anything like that. But watch this. You are going to use the pink tip and you are going to pick it up and there it is. Ta-da! You're going to add your glue, drop, drop, drop. Or I like to make a puddle of glue and just drop it in there and then drop it on my project. Is that the coolest thing you ever saw in your life or what? Look, it sticks. It's weird. Look at that. And there's extra tips for when it gets icky. You can also wash these like stamps and let them air dry and it'll become sticky again. So you're getting the picker-upper tool with 4 tips total. You're getting the reverse tweezers, which you can never have too many of these. I also use them as a die pick. You're getting the glue and you're getting this awesome box, which this box, of course, you know, fits perfectly in our fabric boxes. Limited edition. Once they are gone forever. However, we are going to eventually slowly come out with more other embellishments, but not these. So go check it out. My friends, big day. I told you it was a big day. I'm glad you got a drink and you sat down like I asked you to in the beginning. Go check it out, stampsoflife.com. And you know what, club members? Yes, you are getting your club discount on all of these products. Go check it out, stampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you click that like and subscribe buttons, and we've added some featured videos that you might want to check out on the screen. So check out one of those and make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel because we always release new videos. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.